In this guide, we focus on color field rearranging. This feature, though detailed in the Colorize Pro documentation, has specific functionalities designed with Colorize 2D in mind. In our example, we feature a pixelated scene where all objects share the same texture. This allows us to edit the entire scene in one go. However, this convenience comes with a challenge. The vast number of colors available for editing can be overwhelming. This is where color field rearrangement becomes invaluable. To activate the rearrangement tool, click on this rearrangement toggle. The newly available buttons beside the color fields will elevate the selected color field to the top of the list, along with similar colors. If you want to focus on painting the green leaves first, simply order the colors by green. This tactic is particularly useful when using our diffusion painting technology. Alternatively, you can hold Control while clicking the rearrangement toggle to rearrange colors based on how common the pixels of that color are in the scene, or hold Shift while clicking the toggle to sort by group ID. You can also rearrange using this color field selector, even if the chosen color isn't present in your scene. Your palette will adjust based on the proximity to the selected color. Now let's explore a unique feature designed specifically for Colorize 2D. Start by activating the Color Picker tool. First, mouse over this color field and hold down Shift. Then, select the color picker. Next, use this tool to directly select the region you wish to paint by clicking on it in the scene. When you do this, the exact color you click is precisely the color you get at the top of the rearranged list. The remaining colors will rearrange based on their proximity to the one you selected. This precision is unique to Colorize 2D, thanks to the absence of directional lighting or environmental factors affecting the scene's colors. It ensures that the color you click is exactly the color you get, providing unmatched accuracy for your color application.